here we go. Action, 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 action.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen of the laundromat. I know doing laundry sucks, so I'm here to make it just a little bit better. Well, congratulations on doing your laundry. You're getting $100.
Are you kidding me?
Spin cycles on me today.
What?
Oh my God, are you serious?
All yours. $100 for you. Please take $100. Knock, knock.
Sir.
Clothes. That's a horrible joke. Just take $100. Please take my money. Well, if you get tired of the music, maybe there's a different sound you could listen to. It's ka-ching! I don't know. Here you go. Right in there for you. Here's $100. I'm just gonna put this right in here. Looks like we're gonna need a bigger basket, am I right? Your shirt is as crisp as a $100 bill. Take my money. It's real.
I might need to do laundry more often.
It's like this all the time. You're so skeptical. No, seriously. Double win.